Today, putting an expansion tank right here. This was installed without permits, and the tenant upstairs, the owner's having an issue with, so she calls the city on him to try to get him in trouble for doing stuff. And the inspector came out, says he wants permits, and the only thing that needs to be done is an expansion tank, and then these have to be bonded with grounding clamps, and that's it. I didn't install this, FYI. So that's what I'm doing today. Tried to pull this out and jam this T up in there, but had to use the slip coupling. So now, this is charged 40 psi. So we need to check what their pressure is and then set this to that pressure. So let's do that real quick. All right. Okay, so once you get the reading off of this is at 60, then you just take an air pump and you pump this up to 60 psi. Okay, now we got to put these grounding clamps, one on the hot, one on the cold, and one on the gas. And I guess the purpose of it is if there's ever a short circuit and someone runs to touch one of these, it's not going to electrocute them. So I think it might be only a California thing, but that's what they want. So, and they want specifically, I think this is 18 gauge. I can't remember, but they specifically want this size of wire because I have tracer wire, but tracer wire is very thin, and as you can see, this is beefy. I think it's 18 gauge. I don't know. I can't remember. So I strip them. And then you just tighten down the clamps. That's it. That's it, folks. These are quite nice. They just feel like they're quality.